Welcome to Car Magica, your ultimate destination for the latest reviews, expert insights, and in-depth breakdowns on vehicles and motorhomes. Today, we explore the highly anticipated 2025 Mercedes Sprinter camper van, a modern mobile living solution that combines utility, efficiency, and high-end comfort. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time nomad, this latest iteration of the Sprinter van is built to meet the demands of both urban travel and off-grid exploration. Asterisk, the 2025 Sprinter camper van showcases a clean, purposeful exterior with subtle design upgrades that align with Mercedes' refined aesthetic. It features a bold front fascia with a redesigned grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines that enhance both form and function. Rolling on 17-inch alloy wheels with optional off-road tires, the van comes in various lengths and roof heights to suit different lifestyle needs. The rear includes wide-opening barn doors and an integrated roof rack, offering expanded utility for carrying gear or solar panels. Asterisk, under the hood. The Sprinter is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers strong torque and fuel-efficient performance, ideal for long-distance driving or navigating mountainous terrain. Mercedes also offers a 4x4 version with increased ground clearance and all-terrain capabilities for those seeking more rugged adventures. Asterisk, step inside, and you're welcomed into a thoughtfully designed living space, optimized for both function and relaxation. The interior features marine-grade, wood flooring, insulated walls, and modular furniture layouts that adapt to your travel style. A cozy lounge converts into a sleeping area, complete with a fold-out bed or fixed platform bed option. The fully equipped kitchenette includes an induction cooktop, fridge, sink with filtered water system, and ample storage. Asterisk, the van also includes a compact bathroom module with a cassette toilet and indoor or outdoor shower setup, depending on configuration. Climate control is handled by a diesel heater, roof-mounted AC unit, and ventilation fans, ensuring year-round comfort. LED mood lighting and USB outlets throughout the cabin make off-grid living more enjoyable. Solar panels and lithium battery systems provide renewable energy, while the control panel allows you to monitor water levels, power, and battery status easily. Asterisk, technology is front and center in the 2025 Sprinter. The driver is treated to a digital cockpit with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real-time system alerts. Voice command, rear-view camera, and smart connectivity make driving and parking more intuitive. Asterisk, safety features are robust and include active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, crosswind assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Built with durability and driver peace of mind in mind, this camper van is just as much about security and dependability as it is about comfort. Asterisk, it's the ideal vehicle for travelers who want the freedom of the road without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Whether you're planning short getaways or extended overland adventures, this van is your ticket to exploring in style and confidence. Asterisk, if you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more expert content on the newest vehicles, luxury RVs, and automotive tech. You're watching Car Magica, where performance meets lifestyle on every journey.